Welcome to Educafun Australia, where our vision is to modernize learning by integrating science, technology, engineering, arts, mathematics, better known as STEAM curriculum with coding and technology. In this video, we are going to demonstrate an example of integrating learning module for an Year 8 mathematics with coding and technology. The particular stream we have chosen for this example is statistics and probability, and the particular example is understanding of exclusive or, inclusive or, and Boolean expressions. Educafun has a three-step approach in integrating curriculum with technology and coding. Step 1 is to download or identify the curriculum requirements from the Australian Curriculum website. In this particular instance, we have downloaded the ACMSP 205 code for the Boolean expressions. Step 2 is choosing a technology or the coding platform which is right for the module. In this particular example, we have chosen Arduino, which is an open source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduino is used by a lot of universities around the world and also by a lot of professional organizations. Step 3, which is our unique value proposition, is to develop an integrated learning module. In this particular example, we have developed a module where students will be required to write a code in Arduino's integrated development environment, better known as IDE, to integrate the Boolean expressions for AND, exclusive OR, and inclusive OR. Before we give them the challenge of writing the code, it's important to develop an understanding of the theory. So, we give them an assessment task where the students are required to fill in the answers for each of the Boolean expressions. Once they have demonstrated an understanding of the theory, we then give them a challenge of integrating it using an electronic kit which will be supplied by Educafun Australia and also a sample code. Let's look at an example which is also demonstrated by the video running in a loop in this segment. So in this particular example, we are talking about the AND expression where both inputs have to be 1 for the output to be 1. In this particular example, the student or the teacher or whoever is working on this electronic kit will have to press both the switches to have the LED turn on. Obviously, we will provide the electronic kit and all the schematics to go with it. We'll also provide the sample code for the AND logic. In this particular sample code, as you can see, both switches SW1 and SW2 has to be pressed on for the LED to come on. Now that we have given them a sample code, the challenge is for the students to then write a code to implement the truth table for Boolean logic XOR and OR. To successfully roll out the integrated module, Educafun will A. Provide the learning resources, which includes the electronic kits and the sample code, and B. Provide an ongoing support to both the teachers and also to students, whether it's in the form of human resources or whether it's a form of online support. To conclude, Educafun's training modules will integrate mathematics curriculum with coding and technology for this particular segment. If you have any more information, please contact us at educafun.australia@gmail.com. Thank you.